Soon you can have a Dyson air filter for your face that also plays music. Breathe in and jam out. The Dyson Zone air purifying headphones are real and coming this year. Let's go over how it works. So Dyson has made a whole new kind of wearable, one that delivers pure air to your nose and mouth, and it delivers pure sound with noise-canceling high-fidelity over-ear headphones. And it also would look awesome for your Mortal Kombat or Bane cosplay, just a fun bonus feature if you're into that. Okay, I tease, because we are not used to this idea of wearing portable air purifiers, but this is a product that Dyson is serious about. The company has been working on this for 6 years. More than 500 prototypes have been designed to get it right. There's even a patent application from back in 2018. So take a second and just process this. You have Dyson, a massive company that is looking at how pollution and air quality are becoming a growing problem. And their team said, yeah, we're gonna invest years and years of labor in making this product because people will want to pay for a way to breathe better outside. So yeah, it's not the bright future we like to think about because we'll need breathing technology now. I'll just try to cheer you up by telling you about all the cool tech inside. Dyson has been in the air filter game for a while now, filtering both gases and particles from the air. Now, the engineering challenge was how to get this same filtration tech in a smaller form. The compressors are in the ear cups. The air goes in through filters on the air cups, and then with the visor, it's projecting 2 streams of clean air to the nose and mouth. They had a lot of different ideas on how to get that stream of air to your face. Some prototypes are shown with snorkel-looking attachments, but this visor doesn't touch your face at all. It snaps to the headphones with magnets. It just kind of hovers in front of your nose and mouth, and you can adjust the size to fit your face. And you can just listen to music without the visor on, but you need the visor to get the air filtration. There are 3 different air speeds for the filter, and what I think is neat is that there's this auto mode. So if you're just walking around, it's in a low setting. But if you start running upstairs, it's gonna kick up to blow the air harder. Now, this was tested in crosswinds, so if it's a breezy day, it shouldn't be a problem. And I'm told by Dyson that you can take a phone call while the air filtration is on, so it's not gonna be noisy enough that it messes with the phone microphone. But let's say you're walking around town wearing it, you're looking like a bionic future hero, and you want to just stop in a cafe and order a coffee. I'm told all you have to do is pull down the visor toward the chin, and when it lowers, the filtration and the music will automatically pause, so you can have a conversation with other humans, and then go back to your bionic world. Something like that. We should go over the headphones as well. Now, the company put a lot of engineering into the fit of the headphones. They say it distributes the weight over the sides of the head instead of right at the top. The padding over the ear creates a natural seal. It's already going to block sound out that way, but it has active noise canceling technology, which means it's working to cancel out the sound wavelengths around you. And there are 3 modes. Isolation mode is on the high end. It's canceling out the outside sound. Conversation mode happens when you lower that visor and you need to chat with someone. It'll amplify the conversation so it's not sounding muffled with headphones on. And then there's transparency mode, and that's for when you want to hear some background sound around you. Now, this product is targeted around solving pollution problems and the need for clean air, but of course, we're all thinking about the COVID. The visor itself is not a mask. So in the box, Dyson is including a cloth mask insert. It's been explained to me that this touches your cheeks, it goes over your nose, and it fits right into the visor for when you need to wear something that covers you more. Now, the filtration technology Dyson is using is called electrostatic filtration. Dyson says it captures 99% of particle pollution, and that includes dust, pollen, bacteria, and some viruses. Anything that is as small as 0.1 microns. And well, the COVID virus is just about that size, at 0.125 microns. This is not a medical device. It's not designed for this. I mean, Dyson can't claim it's going to suck away all the COVID for you, of course. but clearly there are some elements of this that can align well with the possibility that you'll need to wear a mask, a face covering in the future because of COVID, and you might want some fresh air at the same time. I know I was thinking about it. Now, you may not be used to seeing folks wearing air-purifying masks around town while commuting to work to combat smoke and dust, but this could be more common soon. A few companies have been releasing different masking solutions for the past few years. Back in early 2020, there was the AO Air. It unveiled at CES. It was touted as something helpful for those working in wildfire cleanup. And there's also the Razor Zephyr. This is another product we've seen recently at CES. It forms a seal around the nose and the mouth and has replaceable air filters and a transparent design to see the mouth when someone's talking. And there's the Super Mask. It combines a HEPA fan filtration with attachable noise-canceling earbuds. That one sells for about $300. We don't know yet how much the Dyson Zone is going to cost. All we know is that it'll be coming out sometime later in the year, in the fall. And we will be sure to tell you all about it when we can try it on ourselves. In the meantime, let me know all the questions you have about this, and if you think it's something that you'll see in your future. Until then, breathe easy, my friends.